NaturallyCurlz. Today's video is I've joined a hair growth challenge. This is by BelleBar Organic. It's a brand that I've been wanting to try for a very long time, and I've always wanted to try a hair growth challenge, so I decided two birds, one stone. And I recently got my box, and I do love the packaging here. Take time to love yourself. Thank you for treating yourself, our planet, and its inhabitants better by choosing an all-natural, organic, and cruelty-free beauty regimen. Join hundreds of women like you on our Facebook page and connect with us to share your rituals, discover new ones, and spread your unique beauty with us all. Share your rituals with hashtag #MyBelleBarRitual on Instagram for a chance to be featured. Now let's have fun. Smiley face. And in my growth challenge box, I have green tea, strengthening tea roots. It does smell like green tea, so it smells pretty good. I got the hibiscus and black soap moisturizing hair cleanser. Let's see. Doesn't carry too much of a strong scent. This is the hibiscus restorative hair mask. Ooh. Ooh, I like the smell. It's like a, I'm not sure what it smells like. I like the smell though. It kind of reminds me of something like sweet. Almost not quite like a pastry, but something, I don't know. I can't put my finger on it, but it's a pretty good smell. Then I have henna strengthening hair gloss, which kind of smells like matcha to me. Just a tad bit. I've got 2 bottles of the onion and garlic thickening, I'm going to pronounce this, Ayurvedic herb hair oil, if I could speak. This does smell like onion and garlic, but doesn't have strong a scent as I thought it would be, so that takes away some of my worry with using that. But I got 2 bottles of that, and I also got 2 of the Argan Oil Shine and Moisture hair butters. This is, it has a little bit of a scent. That's what it looks like. I know they have a class, like a course, throughout the 60 days. So I know it starts on the 18th. I think that's mostly for prep. And the 25th would be the first wash, which I will be out of town. So I'm going to be like a week behind everyone else, but I'll be there. I'll be there just a week behind, you know, slowly but surely. And I've heard really good things about this, and I'm really excited to try this out. I also got another green tea strengthening mix, and also another nourishing hair mask. These are just a little samples, I guess. Either way, I'm excited to try it all. And I hope my hair grows more, but I also hope for like much healthier hair. I've been kind of struggling with keeping my hair moisturized the way I want it to keep it moisturized. It doesn't retain the moisture that I want it, the way I want it to. Mostly the products like this to stay on top of my hair, but I'm hoping this course, these products will help with that, so I'm excited to try that. So my plan for this is to make a couple more videos. One video says midway, check the end point, see how my hair is doing and if it's grown and it has got any healthier, and of course the final video being the end result of everything. So until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.